Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share how to carefully remove the factory side mirror from Land Cruiser Troopy, and this one is 23 model. Basically it just new, shipped from Japan to Sydney. So we are working on it, and we actually are doing the set of 4 surrounding camera into this car. So we are fitting the side Full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera on this side mirror. That's why we make this video for, you just want to know how. So basically we already removed the parts, and you can see this one is the mirror and the cover. So just imagine this way, those things were staying like this before, and now why we remove and do this, because it's easier to talk. So this plastic clip, the outer cover is the extended part, and it's holding by one small screw at the bottom here. So you need to unscrew the bottom screw easy. Okay, after that you need some of the slim plastic trim removal tool like this. We use 2 of this one. Okay, so we slide as gently one slide and leave this one on the and in the position, and then you use the second one to slide around. So because it is clip on by the trim from the cover into the surrounding piece, so you slightly gentle 2 of this one, and then that outer cover will come out. But be careful, the mirror, the rear mirror, actually doesn't stay with any mechanism, rather than it just stayed there. And you see at the back of the mirror, it just have the mechanism like this. So the mirror stay really fragile and easy to be broken if you accidentally remove the plastic cover out straight away and forget about this one. So be careful when you remove the plastic cover. You need to get this mirror hold or touch holding until safely you can remove the mirror out. Otherwise it will fall out straight away from this one down to the ground. Oh, not good. Okay, so at this moment it is free, and we can start working to get the new Full HD anti-brake super night vision camera on the side here, and soon this car will be with 4 surrounding camera on demand. So thanks again for watching, and we will see you on the next one soon.